What do you got there, Jax? That's pretty awesome.
Someone help me open.
So we pull it up like this.
Oh, yeah.
We do it together. 1, 2, 3.
And here it is.
Whoa, look at that. He's really cool. Guys, the High Storm 3.5 channel infrared remote control helicopter is amazing. Inside the box, you got a remote, a charger, a couple of extra blades. Yeah. Should we go fly it?
Yeah.
Let's go. Are you excited to fly it? Super easy to fly. Jackson just started flying it, took it right out of the box. Working flashing side lights. Front spotlight. This thing is like crash proof. I mean, it crashes, it gets up and goes and goes and goes. Guys, this is super fun to fly. Whoa, Eddie, look at that. Yeah. Ready?
I landed right there.
Okay, ready? You want to go? Okay, take off.
Dude,
Don't be scared. You can do it.
can I might crash it?
That's okay. It's super durable. Ready? 1, 2, go. Go! Do it!
Crash it!
You won't crash it. I promise.
I know.
Addie, is he gonna crash it?
No,
She says. Okay, you want me to do it? Okay, you hold it.
no.
Or should we just put it here?
On the table.
Put him on the table?
This is what I'm missing off.
You wanna take him, let him take off over there?
Go.
Go.
Take off and then land back.
Okay, practice run 1. It's the other one. Whoa! And then push down, down, down. Whoa! That was awesome.
It was?
Yeah. Yeah. You love it?
I can do another crash.
Yeah, it totally can. It can handle it. Go. Go up slowly and come down slowly. Good job. Take off and landing by Jackson. Ready? Another one.
Your turn.
My turn here. You want to film it?
No, you
Okay. Guys, we're having an indoor air show. Addie, you're announcing it? Yay!
Can I have it?
Addie.
The grand opening! It's the police airport going to the sail and it's going to the sail because there's bad guys everybody!
There's bad guys everywhere.
And keep your feet
Here we go.
inside the helicopter and let's go!
Yay! Addie, don't stand on there.
Inside the vehicle. And look at it! He's taking off! He's taking off and he's all the way up here on the ceiling! Look at him!
And he landed.
There's bad guys! Oh no! There's
Addie,
one
what is
too.
it?
Yeah, I'm gonna go and get it!
Wow.
Okay, everybody.
Wow.
This is for now.
You want him to fly?
Do I
You want to see him fly?
helicopter flying.
Here he
I'm
goes.
going to go up there and fly that and land it and crash it. It's going to be great.
Put it on the floor, Addie.
Everybody, just go. Go now.
Good job, Addie.
Are you ready?
Watch out, Addie.
And that baby. Bring me away. Go, go. Look at him, go. Look at him. It's so amazing. Just look at him.
Yay,
Look
Jackie.
at him. Look at him. Look at the grand old helicopter pilot. They're going to land on the tail. They're going to make it through the roof. Yeah.
Oh, we're crashing.
Oh, they got me. Don't you see that, everybody? They
Wow,
just
you're a
crashed.
great announcer,
I'm
Jax.
gonna go out there and go get that helicopter. Let's go and get that toy helicopter.
Let's get it.
I got the great. I got the great opening helicopter right there.
Okay, here we go. Up again.
No. No.
Is it ready yet?
Go up.
Okay.
You go higher up. But no, if you get crushed. Get crushed to pieces. Okay, crush
Here we go.
Get up there. Go. Look at him. Just go. I just think he's
Oh, did we hit Addie? Addie, did we hit you?
The helicopter.
Did you get hit?
Oh, man.
It hit you in the head.
Oh, man. How could it do that?
Oh man, there, look out there's the baby. Are you okay?
The monster to make it feel better.
Oh no, Addie, pick up that stuff. Ah, day. Uh-oh, get that stuff. Get it, Eddie, get it. Get it quick before the helicopter comes to get you.
Give us a big thumbs up if you like this video and hit that subscribe button to join our happy family.